Robert, you moderated a joint breakfast panel this morning with Nucleus and Stockholm-Uppsala Life Sciences Cluster. What were some of the key take-home messages from that?
I did indeed. Yeah, it was a great privilege. There were four of the leading life science clusters represented. I think one of the key take-home messages was a cluster has to be based on excellent science and a great science base, a willingness to take risk in commercializing early-stage science, a technology transfer system that aids that process of commercializing science and getting science out of academia into industry, and of course a supportive and realistic investment community that can recognize the risks and upsides of biotechnology IP.
Now, it seems one of the emerging trends is consolidation among clusters and developing a network of clusters. What benefits does that have?
I think it's really important that clusters can come together and work with each other. You begin to wonder sometimes whether there are too many clusters. I mean, how many clusters can we have in the world? You just have to walk around the exhibition hall and realize that everybody is trying to draw a cluster into their local environment. And I think a few key clusters that are networked together and to provide cross-collaboration and scientific collaboration to share ideas and collaborate around certain disease areas and therapeutic themes adds a lot of value.
Now, how can events like this morning's panel help facilitate that collaboration?
Well, it introduces people to each other who wouldn't necessarily have met otherwise. And these things take a while to develop and get embedded. And the more of this sort of cross-cluster collaboration that we have, the better, I believe.
Well, thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
My pleasure.